Thanks for the child.
I've done that to Brian before, so it happens. Oh, he's gone crazy.
You got locked in, bitch.
Yes. Prison. Yeah, shit happens, you know.
Hold on, I gotta pull up my pants.
Proper video production points.
Pudding!
Pudding. Oh, God.
Hold on. Oh.
So, June 7th, LaSalle Fest.
Brett's gonna be right over there, ish, in the general area.
Nice middle finger. So yeah.
Fucking Kathy.
And it's starting early. Playground equipment. You gotta play on it.
Pudding!
Pudding! You know, my coat's long enough, you could probably do that.
I've got 2 pairs of pants on. I'll drop my shit down, motherfucker.
There you go. There's a car drive.
It's not the cops. Who cares? This is for you, Dean Winchester. Pudding! Okay. Shit, now I gotta pull both. Now they both fell down. Fuck me. Son of a bitch! Oh, and look. Oh, those are my Superman. I was like, AC/DC. I forgot I threw them away. Oops. They had a big hole in the crotch.
I hate it when that happens.
I don't need my access to be that easy, okay?
Right?
Shut up there.
Next round of LaSalle Fest. Free wrestling show right over yonder. Plenty of beer like last year. It's been exactly. Way too long since the last burp video. Get ready.
Here's the promo.
Now I'm starting to laugh.
Oh, did we want to give a shout out to the Buffalo Belch trio?
We're still waiting for that video, you guys. You said you were gonna look up. Come on now.
It's time to nut up or shut up.
Thanks for the shout out, though. We like it.
We still like pudding.
We love pudding. Except for they cut the good part out of the middle.
Wait, what?
Huh? When they filmed the scene, they cut the good part out of the middle. Oh, yeah. They showed here and up and down here and down. They did not show in the middle.
Although if you listen, you can hear it flapping around. I'm just saying.
Hi-oh.
I'm just saying. You gotta get
You
that.
have a lefty.
You gotta get that. You gotta get that. You gotta get that high def. Good. You gotta get that high def reel so you can hear that. I'm just saying.
Oh my god. Exactly. So let's see. 3 of us. Chris, just because it's like outdoors kind of shit, probably like last. That's you.
That was me.
So let's see, us, Brian, which if it's anything like last year,
What
going to
the
pass
fuck?
on. Exercise! Woo!
Don't give yourself a black eye.
It's flopping. My coat's weighing him down. This is true.
What do you think? This is Baywatch?
Yeah. Oh wait, I can't.
Not that I've ever watched it, but sure. I've seen the opening scene.
Oh, fuck me. Pudding!
Thank you. Ay, ay, ay. So let's see. All of us, Chris, maybe another Chris.
Who's bringing the
3
mashed
kids,
potatoes?
Brian. Nobody! And if they do,
I'm
Rev
running.
is grounded from touching them.
Damn it.
Maybe he wants to taste delicious.
We don't need the holy potatoes part 2.
It's
sorry.
Sputnik.
Son of a bitch! So, yeah, no holy potatoes part 2, but there will be another burp.
We'll find something else. It's okay.
Either that or we'll get some, or we'll convince him to get someone else this year.
I do have a box of plain flakes right now.
Ooh.
They're not
Corn
flavored.
flakes?
No, potato flakes.
This will not end well.
Probably not.
Well, if Brian wants to sleep through you hosing me down, or more like pass out through you hosing me down,
I
My
don't think he'll
problem.
sleep through that part.
Yeah, he probably stand there like, all right.
Giggity, giggity, giggity. All right.
Pretty much. He'll cheer.
Yes.
Probably shove dollars down your wet pants.
She wasn't wearing any underwear last time. I'm
Yeah,
just.
actually, I did leave those on.
Oh.
She dropped them down eventually.
Yeah, I pretty much had to. That's when, like, tits on up. Which even then,
All I
it was
remember is
wearing
they're
my
in
bra.
my
so-
crotch. They were.
I can feel them in my ass.
We spackled her crack.
Pretty much. Garlic and
Good time.
potatoes. Who knew?
That was great.
Sorry, no, I was going to say no Twilight for you tonight. I'm just saying, you know.
Wow.
Am I going to carry this video or what? Come on.
I don't know. It's working out, yo. It's been a while.
I'm just
That's
saying,
what
you're
she
looking
said.
Pretty. If you want to get a close up of that, you get over here.
Nice. All right.
I think you gotta
I
check
don't
that
know.
one out a little bit. Coming.
You know, I wonder.
What? Do you guys watch the Apprentice show? The Celebrity Apprentice?
Sometimes.
Did you see the one recently or not too long ago with what was his name? Steve Buscemi or whatever?
Buscemi?
Yeah. And he was doing the dog thing. Oh my god, they were working on their
Oh,
commercial.
Buscemi was in the Slave Season.
They're working on their commercial and he's something about a mechanical dog, and every time he said mechanical dog, he kept going, And seriously, when they were going over it again, they thought he was vomiting.
Oh my God. She's puking though.
No, actually, I'm not.
I mean, Chris and I were
She's
like,
got hiccups now. Do you want to know what I wonder?
What?
When Darth Vader masturbates, does he force choke himself a little bit?
Good question is good. Logan, we need a ruling.
You hear that? Or do you think he?
can't tell